Every negotiable instrument has a journey, but when that instrument changes hands, who actually gains the legal right to enforce it? Does simply possessing a check or promissory note make you its lawful enforcer? Or are there legal rules that determine exactly what rights travel with the instrument? UCC Section 3-203 answers these questions by explaining one of the most important concepts in commercial law: transfer. An instrument is transferred when someone other than the original issuer delivers it to another person, for the purpose of giving that person the right to enforce it. The delivery must carry the intention that enforcement rights pass with the instrument. The transfer must also include the legal authority connected to it. UCC Section 3-203 focuses not just on who possesses the instrument, but who now has the right to enforce it. Once a valid transfer occurs, the transferee generally receives every enforcement right the transferor possessed. If the transferor had authority to enforce the instrument, those rights usually pass to the recipient. Sometimes the transferor possesses a special legal status, known as a holder in due course. Those enforcement rights may also pass through a transfer. But there is an important limitation. The law refuses to reward fraud. If the person receiving the instrument participated in fraud, or illegal conduct affecting the instrument, they cannot obtain holder in due course protection, even if that protection previously existed. Sometimes an instrument is transferred, but one important step is missing. The transferor forgot or failed to endorse it. Without that endorsement, the recipient may have paid value, yet still isn't legally considered a holder. If value was given, the recipient has the legal right to require the transferor's endorsement, but until that endorsement is actually made, negotiation has not yet occurred. The missing signature delays completion. What if someone tries to transfer only part of an instrument, perhaps half of a check, or only a portion of a promissory note? Negotiation simply does not occur. The recipient of only part of an instrument gains, not the rights provided under Article 3, but only the rights of a partial assignee. Commercial paper moves as a complete legal instrument, not in fragments. Imagine a company transfers a check to another business. The receiving company now acquires the enforcement rights held by the transferor. But if the endorsement was forgotten, they may need to obtain it first. And if they participated in fraud, they cannot hide behind holder in due course protections. Rights follow the transferor. Fraud blocks protected status. Endorsements complete negotiation. Partial transfers are not negotiations. Understanding these principles reveals how negotiable instruments legally move from one party to another, and why every signature, every endorsement, and every transfer matters. Because in commercial law, possession alone is never the whole story.